It's a 2014 Volkswagen Touareg. It has all the capability of a rugged SUV, fashioned with enough luxury to feel like you're not in one. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo V6 engine. New car test drive reports there's very little not to like about the Touareg's creature comforts and accommodations. Volkswagen, where safety and performance come standard. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call, click, or stop into Napleton's Volkswagen of Sanford today. We're conveniently located at 4175 South Orlando Drive in beautiful Sanford. We look forward to serving you.